you're finally ready to go off-grid. You've got the solar panels, the battery bank, the freedom you've been dreaming of, until you realize none of your household appliances can run on DC power. That beautiful, silent, clean energy you're harvesting is trapped, useless, because you're missing the single most critical link in your power system: a reliable inverter. Far too many people invest in solar without understanding that the inverter isn't just an accessory. It's the heart of your off-grid system. The wrong inverter means unreliable power, damaged electronics, and a system that fails you when you need it most. Upgrading to a high-quality, pure sine wave inverter will unlock the true potential of your solar investment in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best inverters do far more than just convert power. They provide clean, stable electricity identical to your home grid, protect your sensitive devices, and deliver the raw power to run everything from your fridge to your power tools. And we have the top 5 options ready and waiting. But first, make sure to use our links in the description, because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's get into the top 5 DC to AC inverters you need for your solar setup. We kick things off with a powerhouse built for serious, sustained, off-grid living: the Renogy Inverter P2 3000-watt pure sine wave inverter. We're starting in the high-performance domain with this 12-volt to 120-volt converter, a true workhorse designed for home, RV, and heavy-duty applications. With a continuous 3,000-watt output, this inverter can handle demanding appliances like microwaves, power tools, and even small air conditioning units. Its pure sine wave technology is the key here. It delivers power as clean and stable as what you get from the utility company, making it safe for sensitive electronics like laptops, medical devices, and variable speed motors. The unit includes a wired remote controller for convenient operation from a distance, and it's compatible with a wide range of battery types, including lithium, AGM, and gel. For the solar enthusiast building a robust, permanent off-grid system, or the RVer who demands reliable, high-capacity power without compromise, the Renogy P2 3000-watt is a premium, dependable foundation for energy independence. Next, we look at a feature-packed, user-friendly champion: the 3000-watt power inverter with LCD display and remote controller. This model stands out for its exceptional operational clarity and versatility. The bright, informative LCD screen gives you real-time data on voltage, power consumption, and system status, putting you in complete control of your power usage. It comes equipped with a staggering array of outputs: 4 standard AC outlets and 4 3.1-amp USB ports, allowing you to charge and power nearly a dozen devices simultaneously. The included remote controller lets you turn the unit on or off from the comfort of your driver's seat or living area, while still delivering a powerful 3,000-watt pure sine wave output suitable for solar systems, boats, and large trucks. This inverter excels in user experience. For the person who values information, connectivity, and the ability to power an entire suite of gadgets and tools from a single, intelligently designed unit, this inverter delivers outstanding value and convenience. For those who need robust power in a more compact, efficient package, we have the Renogy Inverter P2 2000-watt Pure Sine Wave Inverter. This model is the perfect sweet spot for many solar and mobile applications, offering ample power for most household appliances without the size and current draw of its 3,000-watt sibling. It efficiently converts 12 volts DC to 110 volts AC with the same reliable pure sine wave output, protecting your electronics. It features a built-in 5-volt/2.1 amps USB port for direct device charging and a hardwire port for secure, low-loss connections to your battery bank. The included remote controller adds a layer of operational ease. Whether you're powering a well-equipped camper van, a backup home system, or a job site off solar panels, the Renogy P2 2000-watt delivers Renogy's trusted quality and performance in a highly versatile and manageable package that balances power with practicality. Scaling down for more focused applications, we have the Renogy 1000-watt pure sine wave inverter. Don't let the lower wattage fool you. This is a precision tool for essential power, perfect for smaller solar setups, weekend camping trips, or as a dedicated backup for critical devices. This 1,000-watt inverter provides clean, reliable power for items like TVs, fans, lighting, small kitchen appliances, and tool battery chargers. Its efficient design minimizes idle power consumption, preserving your battery bank. Like its larger siblings, it includes a 5-volt 2.1 amp USB port and a hardwire remote controller for safe and convenient operation. For the DIY solar beginner, the minimalist camper, or anyone needing to add a crucial layer of AC power to a modest system without overcomplicating things, the Renogy 1000-watt is an impeccably built, utterly reliable entry point into off-grid power. And finally, our top pick for raw, adaptable power: the 3,000-watt pure sine wave inverter with 6,000-watt surge capacity. This unit is a beast designed for the real world, where appliances like refrigerators and pumps need a massive jolt of power to start up. Its 6,000-watt surge capacity means it can handle those intense, momentary startup loads that would trip lesser inverters. It delivers a clean 3,000 watts of continuous pure sine wave power from a 12-volt battery bank. The output panel is smartly configured with 3 AC outlets, a fast-charging 30-watt USB-C port, and a 5V/3.1 AUSB port covering modern and legacy devices. The inclusion of a hardwire port and remote control provides flexible installation and operation. For the serious off-gridder, the solar homesteader, or the tradesperson running high-demand tools from a trucker site, this inverter offers an unparalleled combination of brute strength, modern connectivity, and the surge capability that turns solar potential into practical, unwavering power. From the smart, feature-rich displays to the rugged, high-surge powerhouses, these 5 inverters represent the best tools to set your energy free. Your solar panels are just collectors. The inverter is the translator that makes that power usable. Choose the right one and you unlock true independence. Check the links in the description for the best prices on these top-rated models and take control of your power today.